Hey everyone, Collin here from High Caliber Growing. So we often talk about all the benefits of using smart pots for your outdoor gardening for things like herbs, fruits and vegetables, ornamentals, and even trees. But they're also the best container for houseplants for a number of different reasons. Because of smart pots' lightweight, breathable fabric, it's easy to move plants from place to place or to the sink or bathtub for proper irrigation. Just remember to always put a saucer, lined basket, or plate beneath your smart pots inside to protect floors and furniture from water runoff. When watering, fully saturate the soil and allow excess water to drain through the sides of the container. This helps to prevent salts from building up within your soil and makes for a happier, healthier plant. Smart pots can also be placed inside of your favorite hard-sided containers for a more decorative look. So get your houseplants out of their hard-sided containers and into a smart pot today. Your plants will thank you and you'll be glad you did.